have been suffering from a heart problem which was getting worse and worse. After having, at my age, nobody was prepared to touch me. Everybody advised that I should just continue as I was and suffer whatever was necessary. Then we learned about this hospital and Dr. Ravinder, and my daughter will tell you what happened after that.
Yes, so mother is right, we live in Bangalore, and when she was diagnosed for heart failure, we really didn't know what to do. We were in two minds, doctors were giving us different opinions, and then she decided that if she doesn't treat herself, then it would be a certain slide downwards. Instead of that we should actually take TAVR. And then we found out who was the best in the country, and we were given Dr. Ravinder Singh Rao's reference, and we found after talking to him a great level of, very high level of confidence. And so we flew from Bangalore to Jaipur, and it's been the most wonderful experience of having my mother's life back. So we really want to thank the Rajasthan hospital, especially Dr. Rao and your wonderful team.
I think that's the key thing, is that this is a very significant procedure. There are very few people in India who do this procedure and do it well. And as my sister was talking, there were a lot of doctors, even cardiologists, who did not understand what this procedure is and what it can do. And Dr. Rao, when he spoke with my mother and sister on the first call, was so convincing and so confident. There was no question that my mother was coming here for treatment, and it was the right place, because everything they expected to be done was done better than whatever the expectation was. Facility was awesome, the team was great, and Dr. Rao himself, out of question. There's just no way to describe his professionalism, his personal contact, and the trust that he's able to build with not just the patient but everybody who's with the patient as well. So top quality in every possible aspect.